Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a BFF Sticker Club challenge. And the challenge this week was groceries. As always, I am using my Dymo label maker to add the title. Sadly, I don't think you can find this one anymore. I love it because it has 3 discs that you can change. But this one is my favorite, so it's the one that is almost always there. I am gonna link another Dymo label that I have, the embossing one, because I also have an electronic one, and there's a few in this house. They're so handy. And to stamp my date, I'm going to use the Studio Calico ink and the roller date stamp. I always try to mix the color of the title with the date to make sure they are not exactly the same one, unless it's a specific color one, like the pink and red challenges. The Dymo, well, it's not a Dymo label maker, it's actually from Smash. It's very old and it was never really that good, but I like the look and I like the color, so I just add a little bit of Tombow Extreme adhesive. And this challenge was super easy. It was groceries, and I already had a few packs that were groceries related, so it made it a little bit easier. One good thing about this challenge is that I get to use stickers that I usually wouldn't probably use, but I have found a few that I haven't used in years, and then they get dry, they stop working, so it's a good reminder to use your stuff. And it also, the more I practice using what I have, the easier it is. Sometimes I get that, no, I have to hold this particular product for the perfect project, and that project comes and it somehow doesn't work, and you're like, great, I could have used it that last time. So I'm trying to use things, whatever I want at the moment, whether it's in this challenge or Project Life or whatever I'm doing. I'm just trying to just use the thing, because there will always be new supplies, new stickers, and honestly, I have a room full of stuff. I can probably wallpaper my craft room with stickers, and I think about hit the mark. Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but who knows. And these packs are so cute. They have a bunch of groceries, and I also wanted to add the baggie and the cart to make it even more groceries theme. For a few months, I saw a lot of people use tweezers for adding stickers, and I didn't get it until I used one. I had one because it came with my Cricut toolkit, and I was like, well, let me see what it's all about. And I love it because that way my hands aren't on the way, and I can see a little bit better how the final product is going to look. It's a little bit easier to manipulate. That, I think, it's a cereal box. It's from the Damask Love puffy stickers. I love Damask Love, and I'm kind of bummed at American Crafts for not giving her another line, because I think her lines are so refreshing and different and colorful. But, well, it is what it is, which is good. That way I'll have less temptation to buy stuff. And I love these eggs. I really wanted to use those. My friend Tina sent them to me, and it's just so hard to use egg stickers. Whenever I talk about food, I try to sneak one in, but I just love them. They are so cute. And of course, I'm gonna look through my Pipsticks kits. I think that there was one in July and one in October that I used a lot. But it's difficult once you have the whole page almost done. It's kind of hard, and that is a piece of bacon, and I kind of wanted to put it there with the egg and the bread, sort of breakfast food. I do love breakfast. I think that if I could only eat one course for the rest of my life, it would definitely be breakfast. And I kept trying to move the bacon, but it wasn't working anywhere for me really. And it's just most of the items were pretty big. So once you get those tiny spaces, it gets a little bit difficult. And this is where the Pipstick stickers come to the rescue. And I believe that July was the month where they had a bunch of fruit stuff, and October was the one where they had like general grocery stuff. By the way, the kit for, is it April? I think it is April or May. I saw a sneak yesterday. If you're subscribed to the Pipsticks kits, you can be in their Facebook group, and sometimes they post sneaks, which I check out so I can decide whether or not I should pass that month. But the one I saw yesterday was so cute. So if you are subscribed to the kit, make sure that you join the group. They also like do polls and stuff like that there. Now I'm just filling out the tiny spaces with blueberries and fruit. And I'm gonna have a really hard time filling out those last spaces, and then I figured that I should put something above groceries too. And of course I have my tiny puffy stickers that I use on my project life all the time, and I always have food left over. Bunch of watermelons and avocados, lemons, and stuff like that. And I'm gonna keep looking through my Pipsticks, and I thought about adding those dots in that sheet, but I feel that it would take away from the fruit sort of vibe. And I also wanted to use a lot of basic foods like, milk and eggs and bread and all that. Those are the staples. And then I remembered that I had these super cute tiny stickers, so I added the cherries. And this is how it looks. It was so much fun. And I'm going to go back and it's going to zoom in pretty soon. There you go. Thank you so much. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. That way YouTube puts my videos on your feed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.